Hi foodies, welcome to Curry and Hurry episode number 6. In this episode, let's make a classic Kerala style vegetable stew. So let's get started. To a heavy bottom kadai, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil is essential for this dish as it brings out the real authentic flavors of the Kerala cuisine. Once the oil is hot, add 1 inch cinnamon, 2 cardamom pods, 3 cloves, 1 bay leaf, and 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds. These whole spices infuse the oil with their aromatic flavors, laying the foundation for our stew. Add 1 large sliced onion and saute it until it turns a mild golden brown. This will add a subtle sweetness to our stew. Next, let's add in 3 slit green chilies, a few curry leaves. The green chilies provide a gentle heat and the curry leaves impart a unique aroma to the dish. Also add some ginger juliennes. This ginger add a fresh, zesty flavor. Saute it for just 1 to 2 minutes and now let's add the vegetables. Here I have 3/4 cup of cauliflower florets, 3/4 cup of diced potatoes, 1/2 cup of diced carrots and 1/2 cup of chopped green beans. Feel free to cut them in your preferred style. Add these colorful veggies into your kadai and mix them well. Add adequate salt for the stew and saute the vegetables for another 2 to 3 minutes to combine the flavors. Now let's pour in 1.5 cup of thin coconut milk. Let this come to a boil. Now cover the kadai and reduce the heat and simmer until the vegetables are well cooked and softened. This will take approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Once the vegetables are tender, uncover the kadai and add 3/4 cup of thick coconut milk. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat to enhance the richness of the stew. Finish off by garnishing with fresh cilantro and sprinkle of pepper powder, both of which are entirely optional, but this adds a burst of freshness and a hint of spice to your stew. And there you have it, a delicious Kerala style vegetable stew. A creamy, aromatic, nutritious dish that pairs wonderfully with idli, dosa, appam, chapati, string hoppers or any roti of your choice. So why wait? Just make this curry in hurry for your breakfast and lunch and enjoy the taste of Kerala at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such recipes. Happy cooking. Meet you in another video. Bye.